Welcome to a brand new episode of Wout of the World, and we're still in Brazil on a big world trip in one of the most amazing places that I've always wanted to visit since I was a kid. This is the Amazon. In total, we traveled through Brazil for 2 months. We started in Rio and traveled the entire east coast towards the north. From São Luís, we fly to the city on the edge of the Amazon, Manaus. Our plane got a little bit delayed, so it's already very late, and we're at Hostel Manaus. It's already dark outside, so we didn't get to see the city yet, but tomorrow we're going on a tour very early, so I'm going to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hostel Manaus is already setting the right atmosphere. The owner, Antonio, is also the guide who takes us on the adventure. So we spent about 3 hours in the car and we're now moving over to a boat. This is the Urubu River and this is gonna be the real adventure. We're going into the jungle and leaving the car behind. We don't have to wait long for the wildlife as we pass a large group of dolphins. Antonio grew up as a poor kid in this region. Later he bought a piece of land on which he built the most beautiful jungle lodge we ever saw. So I guess we made it to paradise, guys. We spent about 45 minutes on the boat. We already saw some dolphins, as you saw as well. And we're now in the middle of the jungle. This is Amazon Antonio's lodge, where there are about 10 cabins and we have one of them. We're sleeping here tonight. And I'm on the porch right now, listening to the sounds of the jungle around us. It's amazing. So they showed us around a little bit on Antonio's lodge and we already saw some beautiful birds, some other animals, a lot of butterflies, lizards. It's all right here. We're in the middle of the jungle. And what they did especially well is they built this little pagoda and we're now standing on top of it for the most amazing view over the Amazon. You should check this out. Right after lunch, the weather suddenly changes, but not everybody finds this annoying. Of course, it's completely normal that you have a lot of rain here in the Amazon. It's the tropics. But sometimes it only lasts for 20 minutes and then you can go out again and do everything you want. I don't know if the sun will come out, but we're gonna take a boat and see what's all around here. So we're doing something really exciting. It's piranha fishing and we actually caught one. How amazing is this? The funny thing is that the barbecue is already being heated up at the lodge, as we are fishing for the dinner.
Ik heb bijna een dit vangen.
Number 4, we're gonna have a good meal tonight.
Ja, dat is niet lekker. Ik doe het hem opeten. Maar als ik hem daar afweeg, als ik hem daar afweten, ben ik al een beetje ziek.
Dinner is served.
Wow guys, what a feast! How awesome is that, to eat a piranha that you caught yourself in the jungle? It was pretty tasty actually. And now after dinner we go for another boat ride in the dark to see some crocodiles, caimans, and hear the jungle sounds as well, because it's already a zoo out there. And we saw this really big spider. In the pitch black we shine a flashlight in search of the caimans with their glowing eyes.
Look, that's one over there.
And what about this huge toad? It's really fat, y'all. This is so awesome, guys. We're in the middle of the river, only the stars above us. And sometimes we see some lights, which are the crocodiles. And the sounds around us is pretty wonderful. Good morning, guys. When the sun went down yesterday, we went to bed quickly. You don't get a lot of sleep here in the Amazon because there's already another sight to see, and that's the sunrise. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and we're going on a boat to see the beautiful sunrise on the Amazon. We see some dolphins again and also the crocodiles in the daylight. We'll leave the boat at the shore here and we're gonna make a little jungle hike. So especially for Jens, this is quite special. Our guide Leo teaches us how to survive in the jungle and, for example, how to build an animal trap. The Amazon has a lot of nature, but we must not forget that there are also people living here. And the deeper you go into the jungle, the more traditional the people live. So we're now visiting a family that's making lunch. It's really cool to see. Hier.
Hebben we een feestje?
Ja.
So we're just paddling around to look for some animals, and we just saw a couple of monkeys over there in the trees. We already saw capuchin monkeys, and now in the trees some white-faced sakis. So special.
Good morning guys, it's 6 o'clock and nothing beats an early morning jungle walk. The guide is waiting for me, so let's go.
Look, these are agoutis. The Amazon was truly amazing, and sometimes it just so happens that I don't want to leave, and this is the case with the Amazon. I could go on for a week spotting animals, going on boat rides. This is just into the wild, and it's what I really love to do. But we're going to travel on through Brazil, and I'll see you soon because there's so much more to see. Bye bye, Amazon. Next time we visit a town called Bonito, which means beautiful. In the countryside of Brazil, it's surrounded by waterfalls and many more animals. Keep following us and don't forget to subscribe. Yo!